We stopped by Property Control today, and they have a bunch of these things. It was only $5, and the paneling and the hardware, I think, is going to get incorporated into our camper trailer because we want it to have an adventure feel, and what's more adventure than steamer trunks. I think that I can actually scuff this up and paint it. Shouldn't be a problem. And these fantastic handles may be for cabinets or for drawers, and everything. All of our cabinets can kind of look like travel trunks. So for $5, this will save us a ton on wall paneling and things like that, I think. We may go back and get a couple more. So this is the next step, is me taking this apart into panels. We might even be able to use it as a countertop with the edging and everything. It'd be fantastic. So wish me luck. Okay, day after hurricane has passed, so danger of winds are not a problem. So I'm going to start taking apart this crate. This is the second crate that we've purchased, and we'll be using the hardware and some of the panels to help with the rebuild of our trailer. $5, and you've got piano hinges, you've got corner pieces and edges, and with our adventure theme, I think there's quite a lot we can do with a crate like this. So here we go.